All right, John, tell me about the Blue Mule here.
My son found it for sale in Quebec. So I said, I think we should buy it because I've always liked the White Light movie. And so we ended up made a deal with the guy, but he wanted to store it for the winter. He didn't want me driving home in the salt.
Right.
I said, hey, I'm on your side.
Yeah.
And kind of a Ford cab over guy. I've got a bunch of them. So this adds to the fleet, and we brought her home, and she made it without any hiccups.
Wow. And so did you do the restoration, or it was already done?
It was already done by the previous owner.
Oh, very cool.
And I might change some stuff or tweak it. It just needs some TLC. I think it's just been sitting for a bit. I'm going to try and get her back, and I actually watched the movie the other night just to get some pointers.
I think we need to recreate the movie 2022 style.
My wife took a picture of this on the movie. It's identical.
Oh, awesome.
So we watched the movie the other night, and we laughed.
Yeah, I got to find the movie too. Well, thanks very much for telling us about the truck.
Thank you.
Good.